Hello guys, I am a guy Ivasan Paul, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your computer hotspot and use other devices. In a situation when you don't have data and needed to browse the internet with your relative or brother's computer, you can just turn on their hotspot and use it without even them being aware. Now without wasting time, let's dive into these steps. Now don't be shy, go down to your internet icon, click it. Now go to network and internet settings, click. Now on the left panel here, now look for mobile hotspot, click the mobile hotspot. Now once you've done that, you see this sign here, this button. Now go ahead and click the button. You see changes to blue sign, that's to tell you the hotspot is now turned on. Now go down to where you have this details, network name and also password name. You can just go ahead and enter this password and network name to your device, either phone or another computer, and you see it starts browsing, so long as this host computer is also browsing. Or you can go ahead and change this or edit this part where you have these details here to a new details like this. Now if I want to change this, I can just go ahead and change it. And the password, I need a simpler password, I can go ahead and change this to a simpler password. When you're done, go ahead and hit the save button and then start enjoying your connection. Now once you connected, there's something else you need to know. Now once you connected, your phone will display down here where you have devices connected. Now we have here 0 out of 8. That will tell you no network or no other devices connected to this computer hotspot. Now thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.